today we're going to be doing something exciting. We're going to be starting work on the Motogadget M-unit. Big day for Project X, with the addition of the M-unit Blue. And what's in the box? Well, the M-unit, the instructions, a bit of wire, and a speed sensor. So let's get started on doing some work on the M-unit. Now I went ahead and purchased the correct cable kit, which I've already separated out a little bit and loomed up a little bit just to get me started. But you get a few cable ties, a whole bunch of these tiny little ferrules, which I'm not sure how to crimp correctly yet, and a big bundle of wire, which I've already loomed up a little anyway. So let's get the old wiring instructions out. Let's get the English wiring instructions out and start to work out how this is going to all pan out together. So I've got the M-unit hooked up and working, and I'll just give you a little demonstration. So what should happen is I'll walk up to the bike. You should see the indicators come on. It acknowledges that I'm in the area. Double tap the start button. It's got low battery. Just kick the battery back. See the park lights come on. I hold the starter. The way it goes. Double tap of the starter, shuts off. Also the kill, so if I tap the kill, it shuts off. You then have to hold in the kill for a couple of seconds and it'll start again. So I'm pretty wrapped with that. Now I'm still not completely sold on this headlight. This is actually the third headlight I've tried on the bike, and I don't know. I think it's better, but I'm still not sure it's quite right. And got a lot of reshaping of the front guard. I don't know if you can remember what the guard originally looked like, but it looked nothing like this. So I've got the back pretty right, I think. I've got to reshape the front. Put a proper radius on there, and that'll probably clean that up. Got the tank much closer now, to a point where I'm sort of happy to nick that hole out to use the mount. Electric tray to make, and bit of work to do under the back here. I've got an idea what to do there, but yet to sort of try that. Need to work out the height of the bike. So that's another big job out of the way on the bike. Got the M-unit working, and probably the next thing to do will be to make the seat base, and then I think I might actually start stripping the bike ready for paint, because it's running now, the M-unit, with all the original factory wiring removed, and everything's working. So I know I've got that right. There's still a whole bunch of stuff to do. I've still got all the dash to hook up, and a lot of stuff to make still, but the bones of the bike are now there, so I'm kind of happy that I can once this seat's sort of sorted, I think I'll start stripping it. So hopefully next episode will be me showing you how to make a seat base. So make sure you subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.
The bike. Now, if you like what you've seen, over there is the subscribe button. Down there is a Patreon button, and down there is another video for you to watch. So click one of those. Woohoo!